The future of mobile phones is foldable, and Samsung is planning on leading the way. Hi, welcome to Zgadgetreview. Samsung Display is currently at the International Meeting for Information Displays, where they are showing a prototype for a future foldable device. They put out this video for a double foldable phone. As you can see here, it looks like a very long tablet. Sadly, on the short video, they don't show us how the phone actually will fold, but you can get the idea of where the creases are and the way the phone is being displayed. This, of course, is a prototype, and it's a prototype of something that Samsung has been showing off and has shown off a couple of times. There was one time that they showed a rollable phone, and they've shown something like this in the past as well. And it makes sense. Samsung Displays is different than Samsung Electronics. They show off the capability of their technology when it comes to displays, in this case, foldable phones. Based on the most recent release of cell phones from Samsung, being the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Galaxy Z Flip 3, we know that Samsung is striving to be the manufacturer that is going to lead the way when it comes to foldable devices. And the future for mobile phones is most likely going to be foldable devices. And Samsung doesn't want to be last when it comes to that technology. They took some time and a lot of money to become number one on Android devices when it comes to mobile devices. And clearly, they don't want to make the same, let's say, mistake that they made at the very beginning of the mobile device boom or market or explosion, or I don't know, whatever you want to call it. And so they are investing heavily right now on newer technology and technology that most likely will become the future in order to be the leaders in the market. Of course, Samsung is not the only company that is doing this. TCL is also putting a lot of investment in foldable devices, but they're not being as aggressive as Samsung is. Samsung is the company that is going all out when it comes to these devices, and the company that obviously most likely will take the market when it comes to foldable phones. Now, of course, we don't have a timetable on when these devices will make it to market, or if this type of devices will actually make it to market at some point. As I said earlier, this is something that is being done by Samsung Display to show off their technology. And as we know, Samsung Display and Samsung Electronics don't usually see eye to eye when it comes to which technology to use when it comes to devices. Prime example is the whole OLED screen debacle between Samsung Displays and Samsung Electronics. What do you think about this prototype? Is this something that you will be willing to buy over a regular foldable phone, or is this you think it will be too cumbersome to use, like to fold and to put away? Let me know in the comment section. That's it for me. Go ahead and subscribe, give us a thumbs up, it really helps the channel. Go ahead and hit that bell so you can be alerted every time we have new videos, and thank you very much for watching.